How to fix downloads folder not responding on Windows 10 or 11. Hello everyone, if you are irritated due to this not responding error caused in any folder such as downloads and documents, the main reason of this could be the corrupted files and folders that is available on your device. To fix this issue, there is two ways, that is two commands that will help to clear out the corrupted files. So first of all, what you have to do is click on the search bar and search for command prompt. Now you have to click on run as administrator and also give it the access. Once the command prompt is open, you have to give these two commands. First of all, you have to give this first command of disk cleanup, which will be provided on the description below. This command can take 5 to 10 minutes, and once it is completed, make sure to restart your device. The next command that you can put up is sfc scan now. This way you have solved the problem of corrupted files. And that's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.